Hello, I hope you're ready to relax and enjoy. This meditation's called Gifts of a Bird. And so before we begin our meditation, always remember to be in a calm, comfortable place, away from any distractions. Just somewhere you can be at peace for a little while. Make sure you're warm enough and comfortable. You can be seated or lying, whatever feels best for you. We're going to begin to relax the body. Just totally relaxing the body. Being aware of where the body rests, where the head is resting, and the back, the legs, and the arms. Becoming aware of any tension in the body, and just allowing that tension to fall away. All tension just falling away from the body. Totally relaxing the body. Bringing your awareness to your breath. Feel it cool as it enters your nostrils and warm as it exits. Cool and warm. Let the breath be slow and smooth. Just try to let it be as smooth and flowing as possible. Relaxing into the breath, relaxing into the body, relax total body. Bring your awareness to the blank screen before your eyes and journey with me. Most of us, from a young age, wonder what it would feel like to fly like a bird. Many of us have dreamed of being able to fly. Take a moment to think about what it would be like to be a bird in flight. Visualize yourself as a sparrow, small with a tiny wingspan, needing to expel lots of energy to keep flying against strong winds. But still, you stay afloat. You're a survivor, always finding just enough food or provisions for the family. Remember the gift of survival from the little sparrow. Visualize yourself as a dove, the symbol of peace in many lands. People see you as magical. You could be invited anywhere. People wait in anticipation when you're involved in stage magic, flying out of a magician's sleeve or appearing from a top hat. Remember the gift of being magical from the dove. Visualize yourself as a hawk soaring in the sky at great heights. Or just hovering and watching with such accurate eyesight. You don't miss even the smallest detail. You're able to maneuver from up high to down low within seconds. Remember the gift of detail from the hawk. Visualize yourself as a cockatoo, all white with a crest of yellow on your head. You're noisy and converse a lot with your friends. You love company, being in a flock, feeding together. You have the ability to learn from others and mimic conversations. Remember the gift of communication from the cockatoo. Visualize yourself as a duck, flying with your flock to some new location for the summer, always heading for warmer weather. Then you have ducklings, and you are teacher and nurturer. Love for your family. Remember the gift of nurturing from the duck. Visualize yourself as a crow, people see you as a bird of mystery. You don't mind flying into cemeteries, particularly on full moons. You're adaptable and have the ability to blend in. You are at peace on your own or with your kind. Strange that when you gather, you are called a murder of crows. Remember the gift of mystery, of the unknown, from the crow. Visualise yourself as a kookaburra. You can sit quietly in the shade of a gum tree, knowing others will not disturb while you relax. You have the ability to laugh at yourself and to laugh with others. Remember the gift of laughter from the kookaburra. Visualise yourself as a male peacock. You know you are majestic and beautiful. You strut around with pride, and then fan your tail feathers for all to see. Remember the gift of beauty and pride from the peacock. Visualise yourself as a sea eagle. Huge wings outstretched, flying across the seas, obtaining knowledge from the waters you fly across, the air whose current you glide with, the earth's cliffs you perch upon, even the fiery sun that you shelter from. Remember the gift of knowledge from the eagle. You have experienced the gifts of survival, magic, detail, communication, nurturing, mystery, laughter, beauty, pride, and knowledge. These gifts we can remember to use in our own lives. But the gift of flight we can only imagine. Imagine yourself in flight. What form did you take, if any? Bring your awareness back to the blank screen before your eyes. Leave all images. Become aware of where your body is positioned, how your feet are, your calves, your thighs, your buttocks, your back, shoulders, upper arms, lower arms, how your hands are positioned, where the back of your head rests. Become aware of how relaxed your body now feels. Become aware of your breath, how smooth and calm it is. Take a deep breath in and out. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Become aware of your external environment. Any noises you can now hear. And when you are ready, you can open your eyes. So thank you for joining me for another visualization. I hope you feel calm, at peace, and relaxed. Until we meet again.